Assalamu alaikum everyone. On the behalf of Dr. A.Q. Khan School System, I welcome you all to the second online class of subject English for grade 5. In the previous lesson, we have done the reading of the chapter. Today we will start the exercise of chapter number 1. I request all of you to please bring your books and open page number 5. Now we will start the reading. Radical records and fantastic facts. How fast can you run? How deep can you swim? How long are your fingernails? Probably not as fast, deep, or long as some people who have made it in the record book. For some reason, people like to try to set records. They like to be able to say they are the best at something. Here are some amazing records that people have set over the years. Number 1. How tightly can your mom or dad park a car? Terry Grant set a record of parallel parking. He only needed 15 centimeter more than the length of his car. Number 2. How high can you climb? Elaine, Spider-Man Robert climbed over 100 tall buildings without special equipment. His methods are not recommended. He has been put in jail several times for climbing buildings without permission. Number 3. How far can you walk on your hands? Sarah Chapman walked over 5,000 meters in 8 hours on her hand in 2002. For some of us, the question might be, can we walk on our hands at all? Number 4. How deep is the deepest pool? In Brussels, Belgium, there is a diving pool that is 33 meters deep and takes 2.5 million liters of water to fill. World records are made when someone is capable to do something extraordinary which other people can't do. Not every person is able to do or perform any unusual thing. Some are God gifted and some train and practice hard to do something extraordinary. So, as a practice, you have to look for the underlined meaning in the passage and you have to write it down in your copy. And what you have to do, you have to think, is there something that you can do better than most of the people? Then what it is, and you have to write it in your copy. Now come to the comprehension. I hope all of you have seen the video of the comprehension. Now you can know how to do the comprehension. Exercise number A. Finish the chart. Record who, what and when. Record how tight. So who did? Terry Grant. What? Parallel parking. When? In 2008. Second is how high? Elaine Roberts. What he did, he climbs the tall building and the year is not mentioned in the passage. Number 3. How far you walk on your hands. Who done it? Sarah Chapman. What she did, walked over 5,000 meters in 8 hours in the year 2002. Exercise number B. Match the adjective with what it would describe. What adjective is? Adjective is the part of speech that modifies noun, a word, naming an attribute of a noun such as sweet, red or technical. So the first is tight. Tight matches with the way that clothes fit. Deep. Deep is the ocean. Far, a long walk. High, an airplane. Now come to the next page, page number 6. Exercise number A. Read and say. Replace the highlighted words with the new words. So, one is, how far can you walk? Far and walk are the highlighted words. You have to change the words with the words given below. How deep can you dive? Number 2. How low can you sing? Number 3. How tall can you reach? Number 2. I can jump 3 meters. Jump 3 meters are the highlighted words. Change these words by the words given below. I dive 10 meters. I can dive 10 meters. I can sing a low C. I can reach 2 meters. Now, exercise number B. Look and complete the questions. How long are your fingernails? Number 2. How much does this cost? Question mark. Question number 3. How far can you run? Question mark. Number 4. How far can you climb? And we can also write how long can you climb? Question mark. Exercise number C. Choose a noun that go with the each adjectives by many or much. Much, we use much with singular uncountable nouns. Okay, and many use with the plural nouns and mostly with the countable nouns like oranges or people. So there are words given in the highlighted area: sugar, people, lions, eggs. You have to use these words in the filling the blanks. Number 1. How many eggs would you like? Number 2. I didn't know how many people there would be. Number 3. There are many lions in Africa. Number 4. There is too much sugar in the cake. In the next lesson, we will do the writing part of this chapter. Dear students, in case of any query, you are welcome to send a text on school contact number. We will address your queries there. Inshallah, see you next week. Allah Hafiz.